to finish number 2. So if you have me period 5, this is how you do number 2. You need to first change everything into a decimal, and then you order it from lowest to highest. Like I say in class, the loser is the least, the greatest is the winner when you have an airplane flying. Alright, so here it is. You order it, and this should have been your answer right over here. And then you use your calculator. You know how to use your calculator. Turn this all into a decimal. Alright? And E, obviously you guys know E is 4. The answer is 4, and the answer is 9. Okay, let's look at the back. We did A. Now we did B, and I had you list all the numbers up on top like this, all the perfect squares. Make sure you do that. Don't leave. It is important when you're working with square roots that you list the perfect squares out up to 10 at the minimum. 7 times 7, 8 times 8, 64, 9 times 9 is 81, and then 100, 10 times 10. Okay, so 8, we did 8. I think period 5 we didn't get to B, so some class we did B, some class I did not. Square root of 7, 8 is between these two numbers. Square root of 64 and the square root of 81, so it's between 8 and 9. So I'm going to choose numbers between these two numbers, 8 and 9, and my only possible choices are 8.1, okay, 8.2 because it says a tenth, 8.3, 8.4, 8.5, 8.6, 8.7, 8.8, 8.9, and then I will go to 9, so we stop there. So our choices to making the answer 72, remember you need a calculator. I'm going to try 8.5. The best thing to do is try 8.5 for all of these. So I'm going to try 8.5, this number right here. 8.5, 8.5. And then this way you can eliminate all the lower ones or the higher ones. Yeah, calculator. Okay, 8.5. If you have the square button, see this button right here? See this button where my cursor is? Where it says square. Maybe your calculator has it. You can press that and you show your answer right away. Or you can just put 8.5 times 8.5 equals 72.5. Okay? So go back to your work and put 72.5. Okay, 72.5 is pretty close to 72. So it may be our answer. This can be our answer. But we know it's too high. See? So we don't need to try. It's already past 72. 72.5 is already past 72. So don't pick any of these other numbers. It's off limit. So our only choice now is 8.4 times 8.4. So on your calculator, put 8.4 times 8.4, 70.56. 70.56. Okay, now it's obvious 72.5 is closer to 70. 70 is 2 away, that's only 0.5 away. So your answer then is square root of 72 is about, because this is not exact, 72.5 is not exact, about this answer here, 8.5. That's our answer. For the square root of 72 is 8.5. It's about 8.5. Okay? So square root of 28 is between these two numbers right here. 25, so it's between square root of 25 and the square root of 36, which is 5 and 6. So the numbers between 5 and 6 The numbers between 5 and 6 are 5.1, 5.2, let me use another color, 5.1 because it's between 5 and 6, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, and 5.9. We'll try 5.5 and see. 5.5 times 5.5, okay? 5.5 times 5.5 equals 30.25. Okay, 30.25. Too high. 5.5 is already too high, so we know for sure 5.6 won't work to 5.9. So we need to choose something lower. It's pretty close, 30 and 28. Let's do 5.4. Okay, calculator. 5.4 times 5.4 equals 29.8. 29.8. Still higher than the 28. So not 5, not 4. Maybe not 4, we're not sure. 5.4 may work. Let's do 5.3. Oh, why am I multiplying when there's calculators? 5.3 times 5.3 equals to 28.09. Wow, that's really close. So this is 28.09. Bingo! That is the closest to 28.09. So my answer is 5.3. So the best answer for square root of 28 is about 5.3. Okay. Next one. Square root of 56 is between 49 and 64. So square root of 49 and square root of 64. That's 7 and 8. So choose your choices to choose from is 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 7.4, 7.5, 7.6, 7.7, 7.8, 7.9. Okay? Let's choose 7.5. Our favorite number to go to. And then we can choose which one to eliminate. The top ones are the bottom. 7.5 times 7.5. Okay. Clear it. 7.5 times 7.5 equals to 56.25. Okay, 56.25. Hey, that's very close to 56. I bet you 7.5 is it. It's more than 56, so we know it's not higher. Been choosing the lower numbers. Okay, so let's try 7.4. Okay. 7.4 times 7.4 equals 54.76. 54.76. Wow, that's close. 7.4 is closer. No, this is 54 and this is 56. Definitely 7.5. Let me see. Did I read it wrong? No, I did not. Okay, so our answer, the closest answer to 56 is 7.5 times 7.5. That's our answer. $95 is close to 81 and 100. So it's close to 81 and 100. So it's between 9 and 10. 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, 9.4, 9.5, 9.6, 9.7, 9.8, and 9.9. Okay, let's try 9.5. Okay, clear it out. 9.5 times 9.5 equals to 90.25. $90.25 is way too small compared to that, so we don't want anything lower than 9.5. Let's see, it's way off of 95. Let's try 9.7. So we have these four numbers to guess from. I'm going to choose 9.7. $94.09. Okay, so that's probably the closest one. Still too little because this is 95 and this is 94. Let's try 9.8 times 9.8. See what we get. Okay, clear it out. 9.8 times 9.8. 96.4. Oh, no, I don't want to turn that off. 96.4. Let me see. Yeah, 96.04. Okay. It's closest to 94.09. So the square root of 95 there, the square root of 95 is about 9.7. Okay, the end. And this is, of course, 7. Hope you understand it.